Ganesha and Kartikeya's sister Ashok Sundri. According to a legend, Parvati once requested Shiva to take her to a beautiful grove named Nandankanan. Shiva was surprised but promised to take her there. They soon set off to Nandankanan. Parvati was amazed to see many varieties of beautiful trees and flowers growing in the grove. Among them, there was one particular tree that was superior to all. Parvati curiously asked Shiva, "Which is this tree and why is it different from others?" "Parvati, this is Kalpavriksha, the divine tree that grants all wishes," Shiva replied. On hearing this, Parvati beamed with joy. Suddenly, a thought came to her mind, and she wished to have a daughter. As soon as she expressed her wish, a beautiful girl emerged from the tree. An overjoyed Parvati loved the girl at once and named her Ashok Sundri. Parvati blessed Ashok Sundri and told her that she would have a king named Nahush as her husband. Shiva and Parvati returned to Mount Kailash while Ashok Sundri started living in Nandankanan. Ganesha returns Vishnu's conch. During his childhood, Ganesha used to play with his father's ganas at Mount Kailash. Ganesha would hide in a flower garden and suck the water from the ocean of milk using his trunk. It is believed that Vishnu rests on the coils of serpent king Sheshnag, who floats on this ocean. Ganesha would then shower the water on the ganas as if it was raining. One day, Vishnu found that his Panchajanya Shankh, a sacred conch with swirls towards the right, was missing and was upset. He then heard the sound of a conch and understood that it was his Shankh. It was being blown somewhere near Mount Kailash. Vishnu prayed to Shiva. Shiva appeared before him and said that the Shankh was indeed in Mount Kailash but with Ganesha. In order to retrieve the Shankh, Vishnu was asked to pray to Vallampuri Ganesha in a rare posture with his trunk turned towards the right. Vishnu organized a ritual in honor of Ganesha. Pleased, Ganesha returned the Shankh to its rightful owner. Vishnu was overjoyed to have his Shankh back. Ganesha as Vigneshwar. Once there lived a king in Hemvati called Abhinandan. His ambition was to become the king of heaven. So he started performing a great sacrifice to achieve his goal. When Indra came to know of this, he became scared of losing his throne. He summoned Kal, time, and asked him to create obstacles in the sacrifice. Kal assumed the form of demon Vigna, obstacle, and destroyed the sacrifice. However, he then went a step further and started destroying all virtuous and good deeds on earth. There was utter chaos everywhere. Brahma advised the frightened gods to worship Ganesha in order to get rid of the demon. Ganesha took birth as sage Parshva's son. He then started fighting against Vignasur. The demon tried to create many illusions, Maya, like cyclone, flood, and fire among others. But Ganesha destroyed all of them. Finally, Vignasur surrendered before Ganesha. He also requested his name to be added with Ganesha's name. This is how Ganesha came to be known as Vigneshwar, the destroyer of obstacles. Ganesha as Siddhivinayak. There are many stories behind how Ganesha got the name Siddhivinayak. According to a legend, the universe was created by Brahma with Ganesha's blessings. When Brahma was busy creating the universe, Vishnu, the preserver, dozed off on top of Sheshnag. During that sleep, two demons, Madhu and Kaitab, emerged out of Vishnu's ears. Empowered by goddess Mahamaya's blessings, the demons began torturing the gods. Brahma and other gods sought the help of Vishnu. Vishnu fought against the demons for more than 5,000 years but could not defeat them. While Vishnu was fighting against them, he prayed to Shiva to show a way to kill these demons. Shiva told him to pray to Ganesha and seek his blessings. Vishnu did as he was told. Pleased, Ganesha blessed Vishnu with powers, Siddhi, to fight against the demons. Vishnu slew the demons with his Sudarshan Chakra. Discuss. The place where Vishnu attained Siddhi is called Siddhatek. Ganesha, who bestowed the Siddhi, came to be known as Siddhi Vinayak.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.